This is the video tour for the Sail Loft 10A, which is a spacious 3-bedroom ground floor apartment with stunning views over towards Braunton and beyond. So formerly the property was arranged as 2 separate flats and could easily be put back to that. But as you walk in, you've got the entrance into a kitchen, which is full of wall-based units, built-in appliances, with a family bathroom to the rear, and a large airing cupboard as well. Like I say, this could easily be converted back into 2 separate flats, but this is one of the main bedrooms, which, as you can see, is a lovely double room with bay window to the front, letting the light pour in. There's a partition block off here which would knock back through if you did want to sort of reconfigure the accommodation. Very easily done. Got a lounge or bedroom this side, bay window, feature fireplace. As you can see, it's a lovely sized room. Into another room, which, as you can see, can be a bedroom or a reception room, again depending on how you arrange the property. If you were to have it as 2 separate flats, you've got a kitchen and a shower room with its own access off the side here. As you can see, generous shower, fully tiled throughout. Into the back you have an additional 3rd bedroom. As you can see, would service well under a studio flat for this side and a 2 bedroom for the other side. I'll just show you out the front, which, as you can see, enjoys beautiful vistas over the Braunton, looking out. And as you can see, terrific views all the way across, quite clear a day. Property comes with communal parking, shared parking down the bottom, so down the steps to the side here of the property that connect you onto East Street, and there's a communal garden as well, which is shared. However, the apartments do have an arrangement where this flat has access mainly to the lawns that we're looking at now, and there's a natural segregation there to the other apartment, and then the other apartment has a lawn there as well. So the access to the parking is just down there. I'll just take you around to this side. You've got an outside tap. The secondary access if you wanted to split them back into 2 separate apartments. And then, as you see, you've got this area around here as well, which is really handy, and a good sized store with power and lighting in as well. So that completes the video tour for 10A, Abbots Hill. If you'd like to book a viewing, give us a call on 01271 812 263.